Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville Oracle Touch espresso machine. It comes to me with an issue with a grinder. It was like keep spinning, so I unclog it and clean up the sensors, put it back together. Then the machine needs like tune up, so I did the tune up. Then I realized there is leak in the steam boiler, so I put some o-rings in there and it works perfect. Now let's go ahead and test it and make an espresso shot on it. Okay, here is it, perfect. Like to do the double. Great flow, stable. This is amazing shot with thick crema. It's really tasty. So let's test the hot water. Actually, I like to do it after the steamer. After testing the steamer. It works great. Should clean itself. Just the hot water. Works perfect. That's good enough. So all the functions works perfect. Thank you for watching.